Fluxer is an intriguing app that's been generating buzz lately, but is it really worth your time? Today we're diving into what Fluxer offers and whether it lives up to the hype or if there are better options out there. So, what exactly is Fluxer? At its core, it's a productivity app designed to streamline your tasks and enhance your workflow. Right off the bat, the interface is clean and user-friendly, which is great for those who might not be tech-savvy. You can organize tasks, set reminders, and even collaborate with others, which is pretty handy for team projects. However, while it does offer some solid features like customizable task lists and integration with other tools, there are areas that feel a bit vague. For instance, the app doesn't clearly outline how it handles data privacy or what kind of security measures are in place. Users looking for transparency might find that a bit concerning. Overall, Fluxer targets anyone looking to boost their productivity, but it's essential to weigh how well it fits into your existing workflow before fully committing. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, Fluxer's intuitive design makes it easy to navigate, and its task management features can genuinely help you stay organized. Plus, the collaboration tools are a nice touch for teams. On the downside, some users might find the lack of advanced features a limitation, especially if you're used to more robust platforms. Also, the pricing structure isn't entirely clear, which could lead to confusion down the line. And for those who prioritize data security, the lack of detailed information on that front might raise a red flag. In summary, while Fluxer has its strengths, it may not suit everyone, particularly those looking for more comprehensive features or transparency in security. In conclusion, Fluxer could be a good fit for casual users seeking a simple productivity tool. However, if you're someone who needs advanced features or wants more clarity on data security, you might want to explore alternatives. Overall, it's worth a try, but do your homework first to see if it aligns with your needs.